Oh, hello everybody. It's been a very long time that I started the video like this. Hi, my name is Shruti and welcome to my channel. If you have been sticking around with me, then thank you so much. I have not posted a video in a longest of the time, and when I was offline from YouTube and online on Instagram, people always ask me how did I get my hair like this. So for the longest of the time, I had treated my wavy slash curly hair to be a very straight or presentable hair type, and in this gap I have experimented on my hair and try to treat my hair the way naturally they are and try to let them breathe the way they are. So this video is for the people who want to start their wavy slash curly hair journey into making their hair presentable, look very beautiful, and slay them every time. And yeah, so if you're somebody who are clicking on my video for the first time, hi, my name is Shruti, and in this video I'll be talking about how to treat your naturally curly or wavy hair in certain way that it gives you a result. Most importantly, it gives you the result. We are actually on YouTube, on Instagram, and looking for the product which might help our hair, which might get the result like how other influencers or other people are getting it, and not doing certain things right would lead you nowhere. So this video is a one-stop destination so that you click on it, you watch the video entirely, and you get the result that you want. Let's get started with today's video, and this is my favorite type of a video wherein I'll be reviewing the product, and this time I'm talking about Curlvana brand, which kind of grabbed my attention when I was searching for the products like this. Like, you know, ye nahi ho raha hai, wo nahi ho raha hai, ye help nahi ho raha hai, and this process was getting very tedious, and obviously I was losing my mind, and I was straightening my hair every time I was not liking the product, and you know, for not knowing what exactly I should be doing with this kind of hair. So that's when I came to know about the brand Curlvana. These are curly hair range product, and they have 5 products which are enough for anybody who is starting their journey and to know what exactly their hair wants. So here are the Curlvana's hair care products. When I say it's a one-stop destination for somebody who wants to start their journey, this is what you need. So Curlvana has a wide range of products. They start with a mild shampoo, a hair mask which is double cleanse, creamy hair mask, and followed by the leave-in conditioner and also a styling gel. These 5 products come in a combo if you want to buy it in a combo, and you can get them in a very affordable range. These are glycerin-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, silicone-free as well. And when I talk about them, I cannot stop bribing. So let me go ahead and show you what exactly it has done to my hair, how my hair before and after, so that you guys know what exactly I'm talking about and get the best out of these products. So this is how my hair looks right now, and as you can see, I have a curly slash wavy hair. In the front, the waves are very little, and when I scrunch them, they show very well and they are very defined. But in between and inside my crown area, like below my crown area, I have a good curls. Like these are the curls which defines by themselves. I no need to put any efforts. In the front, I have to really scrunch them very well, you know, moisturize them, lock the moisture so well that they stay defined and look the best. In such situation, I go ahead with a very good hair mask or a good hydrating conditioner. I'm kind of a person who wants to use the hair mask every week so that A, it locks the moisture, B, it makes my curls or wave look very effortless and very stylish without me doing much on them on a weekdays, because the days get hectic, and for somebody who has this kind of a hair needs time in order to make them look the best. See, I want my hair health to be all right, so that I want this gorgeous hair for the rest of my life, and I do not want much breakage. So here comes my Curlvana's hair mask, which is a deep nourishing double cream hair mask. It's a very thick paste. By the way, these are my second set of products. I've been using Curlvana since almost 3 months, and I'm very happy with the result.
So here is a demonstration of how exactly I use these products. And to start with, I'm gonna damp my hair so that the product can infuse with my every hair strand. Now I'm gonna go ahead with the Curlvana's double cleanse hair mask and apply water onto it so that I get a good paste of it applied thoroughly on my hair strand, I will go ahead and use the praying hand method in order to spread the product all over my hair strand evenly, and making sure that I use a good amount of water so that the product gets infused with my hair and let it soak well once I put them back into the bun. I make sure that I take good time in order to detangle my hair as well while doing this process. And now I let this hair mask sit on my hair for a good 20 minutes and rinse it with a mild shampoo.
Hey guys, after letting the hair mask sit on myself for a good half an hour, I washed it away with the Curlvana's Fortifying Curl Cleanser. This is a mild shampoo and it can be used for frequent washes again. And if you're normally washing your hair, then I would suggest go ahead with the Curlvana's shampoo. Add it up with the Curlvana's conditioner. It's a gentle conditioner which will obviously nourishes your hair, give you the feel of deep conditioning as well. But today was the one of the days when I had time. I wanted to regain the nourishment back to my hair, so I topped up with the hair mask. Girls, anytime doing a little more extra for yourself never goes waste, so that's that. And on the busy days I go ahead with these two products. It goes amazing hand in hand. And now I'll show you how exactly I style my hair after getting done with the shampoo and conditioner. You can see the hair already started getting into the natural shape that they are, and this is what happens when you start nourishing your hair the way they are. And it's time for me to style them, so let's go ahead and style them using the Curlvana's leave-in conditioner and also a styling gel. Because I've nourished them enough, I'll be going ahead with the peanut size of the leave-in cream because I want the nourishment to be there for a longer time. So I'll go a little bit of a Curlvana's leave-in cream and a little more of the styling gel so that it keeps my curl nice and strong and look beautiful, feel beautiful, stay beautiful for not worrying about my curls for good 4-5 days.
And here comes the most important part, that is styling. No matter what you do with your hair, the way you style them, the way you make them listen to you is all about you keeping your curls. So again, taking a good amount of product and raking the hands through each and every strand of my hair, making sure that I apply the product enough and uniformly so that I start to get the desirable results. Going ahead with the styling gel has changed my game in order to keep and maintain the curl. I gonna take enough amount of this product because this particular product gonna hold my curls well intact, and must say that this is very smooth, slippery, and hence scrunching my hair enough to get the volume that I needed and also define the curls as I go ahead and rake through my fingers. And girls, don't forget to scrunch your hair by sectioning them. This will result in giving you a good hold for your curls. And once I'm done with scrunching my hair, I'll go ahead and wrap the towel around my hair without disturbing my curls and let it dry naturally.
So this is how my hair turned out after using the Curlvana's curly hair range, and must say it's a very effortless way to treat your curly / wavy hair and get the results which are looking like this. So if you guys like the video, then do not forget to give this a video thumbs up, and also let me know when did you find this video and did this video put you an end for your research of curly / wavy hair care products. And the link for those products is there in the description. Do not forget to check the description and buy the products for yourself. Thank you so much Curlvana for this hair care range, and thank you so much for you guys who spend this time with me. If you are like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit this bell so that you get notified whenever I post any new video. And also let me know what kind of a video you want to see on my channel, because again, I started a brand new entry on YouTube. So please help this girl out in order to deliver what you guys want and what you guys want to know more about me or the products or whatever you guys like. Follow me on Instagram because I'm very active over there, and making YouTube videos might take a little time, but Instagram is always fun. So do not forget to say hello over there. If you have come from this video, then please make sure you mention it on a DM. I am very active on Instagram and love to see you guys over there as well. This is me, Shruti, signing off as of now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, sanitize, double mask, and take care. Why am I telling this after so long of the COVID? Because that's how this girl rocked in the COVID journey and also now. So please make sure you take care of yourself and take care.